Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Joint cracking can happen naturally without causing any symptoms. This popping sound comes from gas bubbles collapsing in the joint fluid or ligaments and tendons moving over bones. It's usually harmless and not a sign of injury or arthritis. If there's no pain, swelling, or loss of movement, joint cracking is simply part of normal joint function.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.